What's going on, guys? Joey Cuz coming back at you again today. And today I'm going to do like a little farewell, so to speak, to this angle grinder. Now, as you can see, it is pretty beat up. How long have I had it? It's got to be over 15 years. And I used to use this a lot. Lately, not so much, but recently I just did try to use it, and it crapped out on me. Now, this broke because I dropped it when I was putting it back. But, I mean, as you can see, the I've replaced the end on the cord once. The cord's a little beaten up. You know, cord's frayed down here. And at one point I had to tape this up like this just to get it to work properly. So, today we are going to say goodbye to this angle grinder. And then say hello to this new Hercules 7 amp angle grinder that I just bought. Not recently, but a couple weeks ago. Actually, a couple months ago. Just haven't had the chance to make a video on this yet, but I bought this from Harbor Freight. Now, before anybody says anything, as far as you know, this is the first time I've ever bought anything from Hercules. Normally, you know, I'm a DeWalt guy. I'd say probably 96% of my tools are all DeWalt, all my power tools anyway. So this is a little stretch out of my comfort zone when buying power tools, because, you know, certain things with Harbor Freight, you know, you get what you pay for. Supposedly the Hercules is like their top-notch brand that they sell, because they have like the Chicago Electric or whatever the hell it is, and then Bauer and all that other stuff. But this is supposed to be like the best of their lineup. Now, like I said, this is the 7 amp. They do have an 11 amp grinder as well. I got this one for, was it $49, and then with the coupon it was like 39 bucks. So I got it for 40 bucks. And then the DeWalt 7 amp, I believe, is like 60. So, I mean, I was going to go with the DeWalt, but like I said, I don't use the angle grinder as much as I used to. So I figure with this, you know, this will fit my needs a little bit better now. So, with that being said, let's open this up and see what's inside the box and what they actually give you with this grinder. So, obviously you get your manual. You get your handle, you get the wrench, here's the actual grinder itself. I guess they give you spare contacts. I know, that's the first time I've ever seen that before. And you also get one grinding wheel with it as well. So let's move this box out of the way and take a look at this. Now, this grinding wheel is one of the, you know, the Hercules brand. So, I mean, it looks like a regular grinding wheel. They just slapped this different sticker on it. So I don't know how much of a difference it is from all the other brands, but, you know, find out. And here's your handle, and on the handle itself it says Hercules on there, so you know which tool it belongs to. And then, like I said, you get the wrench. And let's get this out of the plastic now. Alright, now first impressions of this, you know, it's got some weight to it. You know, it's not cheap. It doesn't feel cheap at all. I mean, if you probably, you know, give me the DeWalt one and this one, I probably couldn't tell you, you know, which one was which, you know, if I had my eyes closed. But, you know, it does not feel cheaply made. So, okay, then you know, can adjust the guide like that, and there's, it's got the lock on the top for the wheel, so you can take that nut off, put that on. It's all locked up, and then take your handle. It's got holes on both sides, so it's ambidextrous, so you can use on either side. And well, that's basically it, all set up. Now, oh, and there's your warning. Wear safety equipment. So, I don't know. Like I mean, the cord. It's a nice cord too. I mean, time will tell how long it'll last. But I mean, I'm pretty happy with this. I mean, it doesn't look bad at all. And like I said too, they also have an 11 amp grinder as well, so it'll be a little bit more heftier than this one. But for my needs, this thing is going to be perfect. You know, the switch has a lock on it, so you can lock it on, and then, you know, push down, it comes off. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it on this one. What is it? It's a 4.5 inch heavy duty angle grinder with 7 amps at 11,000 RPM. So yeah, there you go. Wish I had, you know, something to compare it to. Not that old one, but, you know, something fairly newer. But I mean, I like it. It looks pretty good. I mean, I'm not going to use it as much as I used to, so this thing is definitely going to work fine for me. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Not much more I can say about it. But guys, I want to thank you for watching the video and checking out this grinder real quick. And this I still have to look for. This I've never seen before. You know, they give you spare parts. Yeah, that fell on the floor. I gotta find that. But yeah, so that's what you get. Little spare parts bag, I guess. Either that, or that's like when you used to take something apart and you put it back together and there were parts left over. Hopefully that's not this situation, but I don't know. Anyway, guys, well, thank you for watching the video. Hopefully you, I don't know, like this little Hercules angle grinder. So with that being said, I'll talk to you guys later.